Hello everybody. Let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty opened on positive note today. However, entered into the negative territory later on. However, we saw that in the second half of the session, bears got squeezed as Nifty couldn't break yesterday's low, and in fact, from there, bulls again took the charge and brought Nifty back into the positive territory, and ultimately posted a positive daily close along with a close above daily lower Bollinger Band. However, larger picture shows that Nifty has broken down from a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and after retesting the pattern neckline, Nifty is falling down. So overall trend remains down. Even the daily momentum indicator is in bearish mode and suggests further downside. So we maintain our short-term bias down for target of 5700. On the higher side, swing high of 5878 will act as a crucial resistance from short-term perspective. Whereas from medium-term perspective, reversal can be plagued at the high which is near 20 DMA, the swing high which is near 20 DMA, and the level is around 5971. Moving on to hourly chart, we can see that the fall is unfolding, the recent fall is unfolding in a channelized manner. Nifty in the last session formed an expanding triangular pattern, and from there broke out on the downside. It tested lower end of the pattern, from where today it has bounced towards upper end of the pattern and is ready for next leg on the downside, which can bring Nifty back towards lower end of the channel. On the upside, Nifty is facing resistance near crucial hourly moving averages, that is 20 hourly and 40 hourly exponential moving average. Hourly momentum indicator has done a pullback cycle, and from there can start a new cycle on the downside. So we maintain our short-term bias down for a target of 5700. Moving on to Bank Nifty. We can see that Bank Nifty also formed a head and shoulders pattern and has broken out on the downside. It has formed an inside bar today. However, overall trend remains down as it continues to form lower top, lower bottom, which is a sign of a bearish trend. Daily momentum indicator is in line with the price fall. So we maintain our short-term bias down on Bank Nifty as well. And crucial supports are 11,808 and 11,575, and crucial resistances are 12,025 and 12,140. Now we'll have a look at a couple of stocks that are looking bearish from short-term perspective. The first one is GAIL. As can be seen from the larger picture, GAIL formed a double top pattern, which is a considerably bearish pattern. That is, implications of this pattern are bearish from short-term as well as from medium-term perspective, and consequently GAIL formed a sharp correction, and since last couple of weeks it was forming a small pullback. However, it couldn't extend beyond daily upper Bollinger Band and 40-day exponential moving average, and in fact from there it has started a new leg on the downside. It has once again broken down a 20-day simple moving average. So it seems to have started a new leg on the downside, and we can look for significant downside in sessions to come. And crucial supports are 325 and 310, and crucial resistances are 338 and 345. And next stock that is looking weak from short-term perspective is Hero MotoCorp. In terms of price pattern, Hero MotoCorp has formed a bearish flag pattern. Near the upper end of the pattern, 20 DMA is there to put additional pressure on the stock. So once it breaks out on the downside from this bearish pattern, it will have significant downside potential. Daily momentum indicator faced resistance near a falling trend line and is ready for the next cycle on the downside. So overall, Hero MotoCorp is looking considerably weak, and one can initiate fresh short position at current level. Crucial supports are 1635 and 1600, and crucial resistances are 1708 and 1722. Thank you.